What's up, everyone? Today I am doing a little editing in Capture One specifically with the color editor. A couple of people have mentioned how my photos, the colors have been popping, and they wanted to know how I did that without changing the whole overall look of the photo itself. So I'm going to go through my process and show you how I do that in Capture One. Hopefully this is good settings. I'm going to run out of space on this memory card, so we're going to do this quickly, 4 minutes. Alright, so basically what I do is I like to hit automatic, because I'd like to see what Capture One thinks needs to be done. So literally all it did was raise the exposure a tad. Cool. So I usually raise the highlight in the dynamic range, just saves the highlights. As you saw here, it brought out the clouds and killed a little bit of the overexposed sky. Next, what I want to do here is drag this curve slider down. This is the RGB curve. So we're curving down red, green, blue channels, making the photo a little bit darker there. And now we're going to raise the clarity tad. Punch. I like punch. Gives it a little pop. And now we're going to hit into the color editor. It's the last option on your bar here in this little three-pronged, I don't even know what that's called. Alright, so now we're going to select the sand, give it a little bit of punch until it's good. Now if you want to see our picture from the start, how it was in the beginning, we're going to hit Option if you're on Mac, and this button right here, the back arrow with the slash, and that's going to bring it back to what it was before. So, really just gave it some definition. Didn't really change the color of the sand too much. Just gave it a little bit of darker definition, which is good because we want to keep it natural. Alright, next we're going to slide into this photo a little bit more. We're going to go over here. That's still green. Then we're just going to click around until we get a new color. So I want the green up a little bit too. Alright, we're good. That's pretty much it. I don't do too much to it. I might raise... Oh wait, actually, you know what we're going to do? What I've been doing recently, I've been adding layers, and I've been inverting the masks. And what I've been doing is just been going further with how defined I'm making these photos.